Hola muchachos, welcome to another vlog of Has Vlogs TV. The cleaning supplies here. I know my house is a mess. Kitty, 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 kitty. Hello. So today we're gonna go full tour of my farmhouse. I know it's a mess. Some fishes, of course. We got our birds. We got some baby chicks. Hello. And then we got the Troco. And we got the Bulbul. And then over here, I know it's a mess. We got some turtles. We gotta change the filter for that. And then over here we just have a bunch of mess. And let's go outside. Alright, so my car, my new Hummer is not starting. This guy, he can't get it on top. But let me show you guys the store in the meantime. Look, this is a building. That was an old store beside the Hummer. And this guy has no idea what the fuck he's doing. He brought like a big ass truck, but my car is not even starting. These are the Hummer keys. And then the store right over here. Best price guaranteed. Chatham Farm Feed. Right on the highway. And then we sell all these items. Let's go check the store out. Still work in progress, but still, you know, nothing's built in a day. You got the heater here going. We got the pigeon. This is our shop pigeon. Hello, shop pigeon. Means fat. Solar panels. All right, and then we got some kitty litter. So let's go. Vámonos. Let's go check out that farm. All right, we got new animals here. Fingerprint unlock. I got chukars and I got a pheasant. Look at that. Smells like shit in here though. And there's one on top. I'm gonna go collect the eggs. I already got like 50. Look at the chickens. Hey, no, don't come near me. I'm gonna hit you. Where's your eggs? More eggs or no? I already took like a bunch. Holy crap, look, we got a gold mine. 5 eggs. Alright. Nothing more? Okay. Oh, one is broken. That's okay. We got about 30 eggs for today. Oh, those 2 black ones keep escaping. I don't know how. How do you guys keep escaping? Is this the heater on? Let's see if it's on. Yeah, it's on. Yeah, a little bit heating. I've had the Tesla for 4 years, Hummer for 2 months, and already problems. Yeah, he's gonna fix it. Oh, he got the battery. Okay, nice. Thank you, boss. He got my car, the battery. Hopefully, we go get towed to the Blenheim. Yeah. और वो छोटा वाला जो बोना, इसका नीमो है।
ये मेरा बच्चा है क्या?
नहीं बच्चा नहीं है, 2 साल का है। ये जैसे बोना नहीं होता हमारे में, वैसे है। आप पाकिस्तान रहे हैं?
हाँ, पाकिस्तान से।
कितने कहाँ पे?
कराची में।
मैं खुद कराची से हूँ।
कराची से है।
वैसे पैदा मुल्तान में हुआ।
Hassan, ask him if he wants some eggs.
हाँ मैं दे दिए। I gave him some.
You gave him some? Yeah, that's
got
awesome.
some.
I gave him some eggs.
Yeah, I like that.
And then बकरे देखते हैं नहीं?
हाँ मैंने देखा है बकरे।
मैं So basically what happened was a truck driver couldn't really pick up my car because it wasn't moving. But as soon as he left, I think he was the angel, bro. My car just started. And now I'm taking it to the dealership to see what the fuck was wrong, because I paid twice as much money as a Tesla. I should be getting twice as much, and I bought all the warranties, like, fuck. Alright, hopefully the dealership doesn't rip me off now, because honestly it wasn't my fault. Like it said the rear motor got locked. It might be because it's too cold. It's actually one of the coldest days so far. We've never had a November this cold before. It's like -20. So it might be possible because these electric cars or these Hummers are not really made for Canadian winters. Like I know there's no snow right now, but it did snow 2 days ago, and today it's like freezing. There's like ice on the road you can't even see. Good thing the Hummer has like all weather tires, like all terrain ones, so I don't have to like swap the tires. That's the one good thing. But the motor fucking just jammed on me. Like, what the hell? I hope they don't charge me an arm and a leg right now. All right, so we're at the GMC dealership. They said maybe I'll get my car today, maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after. Like, honestly, I've never brought my Tesla in once, so definitely GMC is giving the Americans a bad rep right now. Well, the Tesla's technically American too, so I mean.
Told you.